Hi, welcome back to another episode of Tech in 60 Seconds. I'm Danielle and today I've got Evie helping me. So we'd like to talk about the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Polaroid camera. And Evie, what do you like about the camera?
I like the colour and it comes with a beautiful case.
So this one here we've got is the Blossom Pink. And how do you use the camera?
First you turn it once to turn it on and then a second time to turn it close up. You look through the lenses and click it when you're ready to take a photo. It pops straight out, but it takes a couple of minutes to develop.
And then what do you actually like doing with the prints?
I like giving them to a friend or saving them just to put on my wall or something.
And the camera itself is really affordable, but the prints can get a little bit pricey, so it works out to be about $1 a print. It has an automatic flash. Unfortunately, you can't turn this off, so the flash will go off every photo. And can you tell us about the little on the front?
That's a mirror. You can take selfies with it.
And what do you think? Would you recommend this as a Christmas present?
Yes, I would love it as a Christmas present.
Perfect. So if you'd like to purchase the Instax Mini 12 for yourself or maybe for someone special as a Christmas present, then head to videopro.com.au. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.